Hello, this is Erin Fisher, Technology Integration Facilitator for the East Bridgewater Public Schools, and this is a quick tutorial on having the students use their cell phones for G Suite apps. So my first recommendation would be to have the students download these apps from the App Store, whether it's on an iPhone or a Samsung. All of these Google applications will run better in the app itself rather than on Safari or even on the Chrome browser. The Classroom app is great, and the Chrome app also essential for logging in. I highly recommend having the students download the Chrome app if you want them using the internet in your classroom, only because this we can connect with the school account, and it's much easier than using the loaded browser on the phone. So first step, try to have these apps. Second, once you have the Chrome app, and this will be different on a Samsung versus an iPhone. This one's for iPhone, but it is similar on a Samsung. You will go to the three dots on the corner when you're in the Chrome browser, and you will hit Settings. From there, it will show you that most students' phones are synced to their personal account, whether they're on a Samsung or an iPhone. This is why if you're giving anything in class, such as a Google Form or a Google Doc or even Google Classroom, they can't access it. It's saying that they need permission, and that's because they're on their home account. So you need to suggest to them or direct them to switch to their school account. And what I recommend is they may want to have Safari or a different browser for their personal account, and then the Chrome browser for their home account, for their school account. And this will help keep the accounts separate, because their school account will flag on GoGuardian. Even if you're not using GoGuardian and launching the sessions, we see all student activity in GoGuardian, and it will flag anything that's inappropriate. So in order to get onto the school account, you need to click your account here. So students will need to tap their account, their personal account. From there, they will get this screen if they're on an iPhone. And what they will need to do is they will need to click Sync. They actually don't click their school account. They click Sync. When they click Sync on the iPhone, they will get this. And you do want to keep the data separate. You don't want to have your personal data on your school account. And this goes for staff as well. Oh, that's just a suggestion. You may not want your personal data on your school account. You will get a warning, which is nice. If you sign into your school account, it does give the administrator control over the Chrome data, which means we do see data from all of the school domain accounts. So it does give you that warning, and you can accept and sign in. And again, students will not be able to access any of your education material without being signed into their student account. And from there, now it's all set. It's synced. So you will get back to this screen, and you simply click Done, and you're all set. And now they should be able to access everything. On a Samsung, it will be a little different. You will have three lines up in the upper left-hand corner. If they click the three lines, they simply just choose their school account. It's not as lengthy as this on a Samsung, actually. It's a little bit easier. And then if they're on Safari, they just need to log into Chrome on Safari using their school account. Thank you.